Okay ladies, if you're not a braiding guru, much like myself, then this video is definitely for you. This double twist rope braid is one of my go-tos because it's so simple. To begin, take a large section on either side. Divide that section into two, starting with the bottom section, cross over to the top. Taking the bottom section that's closest to the face, feed it into that new section. Now, take that bottom section and cross over the top. Continue to repeat this until you get to the back of your head. Once you've reached the back of your head, continue twisting down the lengths of your hair to create your rope braid. Now, repeat this process on the other side. A little pro tip for you, I like to cross my two braided ponytails over one another to create one braided ponytail.